Biomagnetic Therapy Training Course Introductory Module. Hello, my name is Hepsi Ortega. I am Dr. Mario's official translator. I have taken great pleasure in translating this fascinating course of biomagnetic therapy. This is the English version of Dr. Mario's original course. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Next are Dr. Mario's introductory forewords. Hello, new students. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Mario Ricardo Rodriguez Ramirez, CEO of G-Live Virtual University. I would like us to be friends, that you trust in me. Whenever you have a question, don't hesitate to contact me in any way you prefer and ask me anything. I believe this biomagnetic therapy training course is exceptionally interesting and you'll find it remarkable. You'll get really excited when you hear everything I'm going to teach you. And at the end of the training, you'll become authentic therapists and fulfill your dreams. If your dream is to become a therapist, this is the best way to train yourself, to become someone in life, but most importantly, to help others. When you help others, everything else comes naturally. So without further ado, let's begin. A great opportunity. I've got some exciting news for you. I have created a system which will allow you to achieve great success as a therapist. You don't need to become a doctor, but it comes with a great amount of responsibility. Learning path. I want you to pay close attention, because thanks to this training course and the implementation of the knowledge you will have access to, your way of thinking will change radically, as you will acquire the power to transform disease into health. In this biomagnetic therapy training course, you will discover powerful secrets concerning our body and mind, and how disease becomes chronic, sometimes hopelessly incurable. If you want to know what these secrets are and how they can help us to heal chronic illnesses, regardless of whether they are the world's most difficult, all you have to do is follow me, listen to me, and believe in me. Once you understand how this therapy works, you'll be able to heal your patients by unscrambling their energetic fields, because as you will see, short-circuited energy causes an imbalance, commonly known as disease. Who is this training course for? This training course is aimed at people who are passionate about and live with the conviction of helping others to alleviate their suffering. Don't focus on money. Like I always say, money will come by itself. Instead, help your patients. Provide them with the best care possible. You need to listen to your patients because they are coming to you for a reason, and that is to be patiently heard. Whatever the illness may be, you should give them your uttermost attention. If you are determined to help people recover from their chronic illnesses, you are in the right place. I will teach you how to put into practice concrete steps in order to obtain a deep understanding of the therapy called biomagnetic therapy. Biomagnetic therapy, deep healing. It is an innovative therapeutic model which does not involve fighting against the symptoms. It rather strengthens and balances the overall energetic system. Objectives. The first objective of this therapy is to balance the energetic processes so that each cell in the organism may work in optimum conditions, thus carrying out their functions in perfect harmony. Here's a question for you, and I want you to give me an honest answer. What would you think of becoming an authentic therapist? Be able to heal and readjust in a therapeutic way the energies affected by chronic illnesses, all the while becoming a real healthcare professional. Take the challenge now. By learning this profession, you'll be able to help many people to recover their health. Here in Guadalajara, Mexico, consulting a qualified biomagnetic therapist can cost up to $35 per consult. It all depends on how big is your desire to help people. One thing I can assure you is that it will bring you a much better quality of life, as well as great satisfaction as you see positive change in the mood of your patients as you rid them of their illnesses. All training comes with a cost. I would like to share with you later on my experience and the satisfaction it has brought to me to heal hundreds of people using this technique. The virtual cost of this course is truly inexpensive. Some schools can charge as much as $700 and $1,500. Chill Life Virtual University's goal is set to help as many therapists or students whose purpose in life is to help others. This is why our fees are extremely accessible. Seats are limited. Our groups are formed of a maximum of 30 people, so that we can offer the best personalized service. It is an online course. You decide when and how much you study. I have given you all the information you need in order to make your decision and start learning right now. Registrations are open. For more information, please send an email to Dr. Mario Ricardo Rodriguez Ramirez at chillifemario@hotmail.com.